Okay, welcome to my crib.
Welcome to our mansion.
Oh
So first you need to hike it.
my god. Huge house, a barbecue area, a seating area. Look at this view.
And
Rose, wait. Wow.
can we go on the garden?
The tour. No, we're going on the tour. Right. Let's just look at this. Down the stairs. Here it is. Wine cellar. Here's the master suite. Look at this. Wow. It's actually like, doesn't look like real life. Walk-in wardrobe. So, one day, honey. Bathroom, his and hers bathroom. Look at that. And then we're gonna go bedroom one. Stunning, stunning. The kids' room, which is equally as stunning. Another bedroom. Look at the views. Cannot get over them views. Another bedroom. Another bathroom. Some light on.
On page 2.
Wow. For the living area. Yeah, we don't need to look at the utility, hon.
All right.
Everything.
Oh, let's go and have a look at that then.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Right. So now we're going
And then we come up to a living area. Stunning. Stunning. Out to the balcony. Wow. It's just ridiculous. Barbecue area, garden. I've never seen anything like it. And then the kitchen. Hi. Kitchen diner. Kazzy's gonna crack the champers. Wow. 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 I want to be Hannah and Rupert.
Look what our lads have done for us. Wow. And it's still going on. David's over there castrating the cherry tomatoes. Look at that lot. Oh, look. Give us a grin, look. The sun's on its way out. I've got my balloons up everywhere. Beautiful. Well, here we are on the Sunday, and we've still not had any rain. We've not even had a little drizzle, and it was forecast rain. We've had quite a bit of sun. I'm not good at skimming, but I am good at having a drink. It's been absolutely wonderful. And there's Auntie Karen, Nan. He's on his way to Benelma dinner. Okay, bye. They're all waving bye-bye. And they're gone. So now we've got 20 minutes just to tidy up. And then there was only Nan left. Oh, and me, of course. Right, we'll go for a 20-minute nap. Oh.